Everyone, this is Create for Living. Today we've got a little bit of a different project. I'm going to be upscaling this piano stool, which opens up on the inside, and you can see this inside part here. I have this vinyl, that's sort of a wood grain, and the scissors, and I'm also going to be using my heat tool as well for just that sort of curved surface there and that edge. See if I can get that in quite nicely. You can see it does need a little bit of a clean, so I'll do that first, and then I'm going to cut and apply the vinyl. Alright, so I'm just cleaning this off now with a good surface cleaner to make sure that it's really clean. Now that the table's clean, I'm just looking at this different wood grain. You can see there's this groove here. I'm wondering if I should try and fit that wood grain into that groove, or actually there's a beautiful bluish part up here. Do I want to try and make sure that I include that somehow? So I'm just trying to think about what do I want at the bottom of the table, how's it going to look overall, and try and just get kind of a picture of what the finished product's going to look like, and bit of how much I need. I got this in 45 wide, so it's about the perfect width, so I have a little bit of overlay, and I might cover the inside as well, we'll see. I'm just wanting to show you that it has these lines on the back so that I can snip and make sure that I keep them straight. So that's cut. I'm just resealing with a little bit of masking tape that it came with to make sure that the original roll stays nice and good condition, and I'll store that well, and then we're going to work with this other piece now to cover this top. I got this measured up now. I know I want to have this groove right in the groove that's there. I'm going to use this to help me do it when I take the contact paper off, and let's see how this is. Okay, so I've got this just hanging loose on the end here, and you can see I've got this little bit, I'm pulling the actual contact paper back just a little bit each time, and then taking this piece of wood and just smoothing it down on the sides. So I'm not worrying about the edges yet. I'll use the heat tool to do that, just really making sure and I'm getting this beautiful contact, and I'm loving how this looks so far. So I'm going to just finish up that, and then I'll show you how I do the edges. Now it's on. I can't wait to see you. I've just lifted the piano stool lid off, and I'm just looking at this kind of corner here before I do the edges, and I'm thinking I'm just going to trim this down, and so there's a little triangle, so this folds neatly in the bottom. I might back this with some of that, and I'm going to use the heat tool then to go over when I go around the corners just to stretch it. This is heat resistant, and it's designed to be able to just stretch perfectly over those corners, manipulate and put into those little grooves. Okay, so it's looking quite amazing. The lights changed a little bit because it's getting darker, but you can see I've just got to do the bottom end. Everything else is done and looks incredible. This is just where the groove is at the back, so I just opened the groove, literally just poked it through, and then I just trimmed each of these sides and pushed it around so that I can put it through to the back. Okay, so here's how the inside looks. You can see I got, this is the only place I got a little bit of wrinkles. I think I went a little heavy on the hairdryer. Great work around the grooves, and I think that that looks really good. So I'm happy with that. I'm gonna try and lift this down, and you can see really beautiful in the groove. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's in that groove. And I've got this amazing finish. These are just my scraps, so in case I needed them for patchwork or anything, which I didn't, so that's great. And you can see it lifts off so easily. So there is the finished product, which I think looks amazing.